Hey guys, it's Maggie. If you guys are new, today I'm going to be doing a super exciting and fun video for you guys and a topic that I used to love filming and talking about as well. And I'm going to be doing a lip product favorite slash mini haul for you guys, which I'm so excited about. I have so many like cute new lip products to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. I have so many amazing products to share with you guys about. So I'm just gonna like talk about them one by one, I guess. Okay, so first product is the one that I'm wearing on my lips right now. So this is a Nars lip gloss. So I talked about this collection previously. I remember it was super popular. I got the shade Unbroken in LA because it was too hard to find in Toronto. But I decided to try out another one of their colors. This is in the shade Chelsea Girls. So pretty. It's like my favorite everyday color ever. It's like a nudish pink color, and I mean, the packaging is beautiful. Swatch everything I talk about today. This is in the color Chelsea Girls. It's the most beautiful, like pinky nude glossy shade. It's like super pigmented and glossy, and I love wearing it for work. Like it's literally my everyday lip product. It's so good. I just think that this collection of Nars lip gloss, the consistency is so nice and the texture and the colors are beautiful. So this is the first lip product. And then, all right, the second one, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to just the product that I use every day, without a doubt, at night, before I go to bed, the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I don't even think I talked about this on my channel before in like a haul or a favorites or something, but I'm obsessed. I remember when it first came out and it was like super hyped about, I was like, oh my God, you know, I don't really like wearing lip balm, but I remember I got it as like one of the birthday gifts from Sephora. We love a nice marketing tactic. I tried out the mini version, I fell in love with it, and this is now my second full tub. I use this product before I go to bed every night. This is like a new one. I don't think I need to swatch this for you guys. I feel like everybody and their mother has this product. It's so good. Like when you wake up in the morning, your lips feel so soft and smooth, and like they have so many different scents and flavors, but this is the only one I've tried. But obsessed. Will definitely be purchasing this because it's so good. All right guys, next product is a Merit lipstick. I love Merit so much, like just the entire line and the brand and the strategy. I love it. It's so natural. It's giving like glowy, just everyday makeup, which is, I feel like, has been more trendy these past years than like, you know, doing like a full face of makeup. But yeah, Merit is just so amazing. I love their blush as well. I love their mascara, and then the lipstick is so good. So I love their blush, so creamy, so blendable. I love their mascara, it doesn't smudge. I also love their lipstick. So I actually have two to share with you guys. One summery color and one everyday color that I actually really love using, especially like for work or traveling. Like you really don't need to think about this color. This one is so good. This one is in the shade Millennial. So the packaging, gorgeous. I mean, first of all, so sleek. This is the color Millennial. It's just like a really beautiful kind of taupe color. So that's what the color looks like. It's like nude taupe, like a dark nude color. And you can like overline your lips with this color, and it just looks really, really natural. It's like the perfect My Lips But Better shade. It's so good, and it doesn't like, it's creamy and it lasts a long time, and it kind of like obviously stains your lips. The consistency, the scent, everything about it is perfect, and I love Merit products. They're just so natural and amazing. And then the summery color that I wanted to share with you guys is in the shade Aperitif. It's like the Aperol Spritz thing. It's the most beautiful red color for summer. This is giving big Europe vibes. I'm going to Europe end of the month, so I'm like super excited. But this is just a really beautiful red. Let me swatch it for you guys as well. Beautiful. It's just giving European summer. So you guys also have a Europe trip planned. I think this color is just the way to go. I'm obsessed with it. And again, consistency, everything, pigmentation. Like you can see how smooth, you know, it goes on my hand. So it's gonna just be the most beautiful, smooth lipstick consistency on your lips. I'm obsessed. And then the next product that I wanted to share with you guys is from Glossier. I've just been into Glossier this past year, as well as the end of 2022. I visited the store in Boston, I visited the store in DC, and you know, now they sell at Sephora. But I just like, I love the store. Like I'm determined, and it's gonna be on my bucket list to just like go to every Sephora, or not every Sephora, sorry, every Glossier store location there is, because it's just so nice. I wanna go to the one in LA. It's so big and pink and just obsessed. But I keep this product in the box because I'm obsessed with the box, like light pink and white and the font and everything. And this is the, just the lip gloss. Let me show you guys. I also got some more stuff, so if you wanna see like another like lip product video in the future, definitely give this video a thumbs up, guys. I love talking about lip products. This is the color. So beautiful, guys. I forgot, like I saw a blogger recommending this product, I forgot who, but then I was like, that's beautiful. Like when you first see it, you're like, what is this? But it's actually like a beautiful, beautiful color. So first of all, packaging on point, so cute. And the consistency of this product is just to die for. It's beautiful. It's like a jelly consistency. It's not gonna swatch on my hand as nice as it is on your lips, but it's beautiful. Like they have a clear one, they have the red one, and I just like recommend everybody who wants to buy this lip gloss to buy the red one. Gorgeous. Like look at that shine. It's insane on your lips. It looks like glass. Like it literally makes your lips so glossy and has like the most beautiful like pink tint to it. So like you can wear it on top of a lip product, but like I think by itself is beautiful. Like it's a little bit more than a clear gloss. It has a little bit of like pink to it, and it's stunning, and the packaging is gorgeous. The consistency is a little bit sticky. Like if you guys don't like a really sticky gloss, maybe, I don't know, steer clear, but it's so beautiful, and beauty is pain. So like I'm able to endure it. Like look at that shine, guys. Oh my God, obsessed. Next is an oldie but a goodie, Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Walk of Shame. I know the, you know, pillow talk color has been all the rage, but I love Walk of Shame because it's just like a darker color, and I just feel like, oh my God, like it's just the perfect fall color. So obviously fall is coming up, like it's it's mid-August, and you know, we want to prepare a little bit for fall. So I think if you're looking for like a fall lip color, I'm obsessed with their rose gold packaging, and the consistency of their lipstick is perfect as well. That is the color right there. Like look at that. It is beautiful, stunning, and I love it. Such an oldie but a goodie, and I'm just so happy that I have it in my lipstick collection. And then last two products are like guohua, like Chinese products, or like a Chinese brand. It's from the brand Into You. I'm sure if you're Chinese, or like, I don't know, like if you just keep up with like makeup and like Xiaohongshu, then you have definitely heard about Into You. They have really beautiful liquid lipstick, lip stain, like Twin Me. Oh my God, obsessed. I got 2 colors. I'm definitely gonna be buying more. The color is beautiful, and I just like, you know, take my recommendations with a grain of salt. I don't know if the quality of this item is there, but the colors are great. But anyways, Into You. This is the color EM05. And it's just like a terracotta, My Lips But Better brownish color. This is beautiful. I wore it yesterday and it was so nice, and it like just stains your lips. So gorgeous, guys. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Look at that color. So stunning. You can wear it under the gloss I'm wearing right now. So like the Nars Chelsea Girls gloss, I have nothing underneath, but if you want like a more like pigmented, dark nude taupey color, oh my gosh, I think this color is perfect. So Into You EM05, the consistency is like a dream. It is literally the softest thing ever. It's like air whip. It's like beautiful consistency. Anyways, this is another color in the shade C1. So I think these are from different collections, but this is the other packaging, which I like a little bit more because I feel like that one is like matte packaging, so it'll get dirty faster. But yeah, I like this packaging a little bit more, but this color is gorgeous as well. Let me just swatch it here. Look at that color. So this is perfect for summer still. Spring, summer, I think this color would be stunning. I have it in my work bag, so I just think that it's like a really nice like color for work. Adds a lot of color into your face. It's like a strawberry pink. It smells like strawberries too. I didn't even realize how much this smells like strawberries, but it's literally like strawberries and cream, and it's also like the color of the packaging, and I just think it's really stunning, and I'm so excited to wear it more and delve into this brand a little bit more, check out more colors, because I really love the consistency. All right guys, so that is pretty much the end of today's video. I had so much fun talking about these products. Literally my therapy is just like talking about lip products and just like Oh my god, this is beautiful. I missed talking about lip products, so if you guys enjoy this type of video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to film more, and definitely check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I will link these products in the description box as well for you guys to check out. But yeah, I hope you guys had a great time watching. Definitely subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching once again. So I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.